Today we learn the letter W. First, I tell you the story of letter W. In Aesop's fable, the west wind and the sun argue about who is the strongest. The wind says, "See that man, I will blow so hard that his coat comes off." He blows and blows, wah, wah, but the man holds on to his warm coat. The sun smiles and starts to shine. The man gets hotter and hotter until he takes off his coat. "I win," says the sun. Now what is the action of letter W? Blow on to your open hand as if you are the wind. Sing wah, wah. Now what is the flashcard of letter W? This is the flashcard of letter W. This is mama letter W and this is baby letter W. But mama letter don't have sound. Baby letter has sound. Now, what is the sound of letter W? W, walrus. W, watermelon. W, wallet. W, walnut. Now, it's your turn to write letter W. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, just like a zigzag. And monkey tail. Now, what is the song of letter W?